I'm the shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. I ain't worried about shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. I'm on my own shit. You don't see my outfit? Bitch, I'm ballin', 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 ballin'. Bitch, I'm the shit. See me ballin', 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 ballin'. Bitch, I'm the shit. Bitches all in my car. They wanna roll with the stars.
Alright,
Yeah.
check this. I just seen something that kind of annoys me. When niggas post shit on Facebook and then they say like some shit about like something bad happened or something, what give you the audacity to like that shit? Do you really think that nigga wants you to like that shit? That's nothing to like. He's talking about how niggas are talking about how his life is fucked up. Niggas talking about how bad it's going. The bitch probably was talking about how she broke up with her boyfriend. Her life is ruined, and then you like the shit. That shit really heats a nigga up. Like real talk. That'll get me hot. I don't know about anybody else, but that'll get me hot. Like nigga, I'm talking about how my day is going, how some shit went down. Like for example, just left the funeral. Like There's nothing like about that. Nigga, you look stupid. Niggas that like that shit, you look dumb. Straight up. You like a dumb nigga. You should put like comment this shit dislike. Come on now. You know they ain't got a dislike button. It's called make it. Make your own button, nigga. Dislike. The fuck niggas are stupid. Straight up. That shit will piss me off. I'm leaving from a funeral. Like, have fun, have a good day over there. Like, nigga. That shit's weak. But like I said, I'm doing this video thing. You can follow me on that Twitter shit. You know, somebody like Tiger said.
Bitch, I'm the shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. I ain't worried about shit. This bitch, I'm the shit. This bitch, I'm the shit.
Hey,
I'm on my own shit.
ballin'.